Hello, welcome to the workshop. I'm so excited that you guys joined us. I'm throwing together the beef stew. So I have already put beef stew meat in here, or stew meat in here. It is beef, but it's called stew meat, I guess. In a little 1 gallon bag. And I already started prepping my veggies a little tiny bit. So one thing that I have a little trick. So we make homemade broth and stuff. So when we cut up our veggies, we keep the ends, like when we cut this part off of the thing, the carrots, that's what it's called. We throw them in a baggie. And when that Ziploc baggie is full, we make veggie broth out of it, because you can make chicken broth easily, and turkey and beef and everything else, but making veggie broth, I don't want to use all brand new veggies every single time. So we keep the ends of everything, and then I usually throw in like an extra onion when I actually make it, and then you let it cook for like 24 hours for veggie broth, and it's delicious. So I am starting with our stew meat. I'm going to add 3 chunked up carrots, and then I'm going to cut up 3 pieces of celery, and again I'm going to take those ends off and I'm going to throw them in my other bag, and then that just stores in my fridge or my freezer. So it makes it super simple, super easy. And then I'm gonna cut up an onion, do the same thing. A lot of people like to use our chopper for onions. I don't prefer to. I slice off this outer ring. I just use the same knife all the way around. So I'm throwing all that outer layer that's kind of gross into my veggie bag. Getting a 2-for-1 deal here today. And then I'm gonna slice this in half and keep this part intact. So I'm gonna slice right through there. I'll move this bag so you can kind of see. And then I lay it flat, and then I slice through this end, so I keep this end intact. And it makes dicing so pretty simple. So I just dice through all of that, or slice through. And then you can see all these little parts now are all disconnected, but they're all connected at the end. And then you just dice that. And then it keeps this part. I just throw it in my other bag. So you're using 1 onion, but I feel like if you wanted more onion, you could always do more onions. Can you ever have too many onions? I don't know, I love onion. Okay, so I'm gonna throw all of this into this bag also. Now that chopper does keep your eyes from burning. My eyes are burning a little bit right now, but we can work through it. And then you're gonna take a can of diced tomatoes. I'm choosing not to strain mine because I like the flavor of it. And then I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of our garlic infused canola oil. I'll probably use a little more, because why not? 3 tablespoons. This canola oil is delicious, guys. I don't even cook with canola oil, like, ever, except for this, every once in a while. And then I already blended together our herbes de Provence, Asian and garlic herbs. So it's 2 tablespoons of the herbes de Provence, 1 tablespoon of Asian and 1 tablespoon of garlic and herb. My eyes are burning. I'm gonna put that in there. And then we're gonna use the chopper, you guys, use the chopper. I'm gonna suction, get as much air out of this as possible. I'm crying, you guys, I'm crying. Okay, there's that. That is my bag. It's gonna go in the freezer just like that. And then when I'm ready for it, I'll just throw it into a quick cooker. When I throw it in the quick cooker, I will also add diced potatoes to it. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoy this meal. It's gonna be delicious. And save your veggies and make yourself some veggie broth. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you again for joining us.